Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of eBay blocked account. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go here to this window of eBay as you see, and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.